everyone, it's Chloe here with this week's virtual picture news. Let's get started and take a look at this week's picture. What can you see? Is there anything that you like or dislike? Do you have any questions? Use the clues in the picture and some of the questions you've asked to make a prediction as to what could be happening in the news this week. Let's look at this week's story. Global retail giant Amazon has announced its first UK drone deliveries will take place in Darlington as part of a trial. If successful, it could soon be rolled out across the rest of the UK. Amazon's drone delivery service, known as Prime Air, has been operating in the United States since 2022. Amazon said it is ready and excited to make drone delivery a reality for our UK customers. How does this week's story make you feel? Perhaps you're curious and you want to find out more about drone delivery. Or maybe you feel overwhelmed as this new technology is so new and unknown. Now might be a good time to pause and share your thoughts and feelings with the people around you. Let's look at this week's big question. Are drones the future of delivery? Let's find out more about Prime Air and the new drone delivery service. What is Prime Air drone delivery and how does it work? Customers who live within 7.5 miles of the warehouse will have the option to choose Prime Air for their delivery. If drone delivery is selected, customers then choose a delivery location on an aerial image of their address. The drones can carry one package weighing up to 2.3 kilograms at a time. The package will then be delivered to the location provided on the same day, sometimes within an hour. Look at the picture, which shows how the drone will take the delivery package to the customer. Tees Valley Mayor Ben Houchin, who has worked closely with Amazon over the past 18 months on the project, says, "We have worked tirelessly with Amazon to bring this UK first to Teesside, which will support high-quality jobs, deliver vital multi-million-pound investment in our local economy, and drive growth. The world is moving at pace, and if we don't keep up, we will be left behind. If you're not first, you're last." Overall, do you think it's a good idea? Would you like to see this service in your local area? Thinking about your local area at the moment, how are deliveries made? Would drones improve this? Can you think of some of the pros and cons of drone deliveries? Have you ever used a drone? Can you think of any other everyday uses for them? Take one last look at this week's picture and big question. Share your thoughts. Reflection. Drones and other advances in technology can have a positive impact on our everyday lives. However, It's important to understand and consider all of the consequences before making big changes. This week's fun fact. Did you know Prime Air's delivery drones can fly up to 400 feet high? That's about 120 meters, which means that they are sharing airspace with birds. Collisions are possible, but don't worry because the drones are fitted with cameras and sensors, which means the drones can quickly dodge out of the way if necessary. Phew! Don't forget to get in touch with any of your amazing thoughts, ideas, or challenges, and I'll see you next time. Bye!